Hi, Boomiverse. My name is Hunter Wiedemeyer, a software engineer here at Boomi, and in this video, I'm going to go over a unique data error you may encounter when using message shapes in test mode to test with sample data, and how to troubleshoot and resolve it. Often, it's easier to test with sample data through a message shape rather than needing to configure and use connectors to grab data and test. But sometimes, they don't work the way that you expect them to. And when you just execute a process utilizing a message shape for some test data, we'll sometimes run into a scenario where we'll see a severe error within that occurred within the message shape itself. Upon further review, you may find the stack trace leading you to the some sort of element or field within your sample data set. In this case, we can see that we're getting called out this ID1 field for some reason within our stack trace here, where it's throwing a Java lang exception. What we have in this message shape is some more complex JSON data that we've just simply copied and pasted from a source into here. But when we do that, it's really just this big, messy block of JSON data. Now, the reason for the error may very well be when you copied and pasted your data over, the way that the data presents itself to the runtime may not be within the runtime's expectation of how that data should be set up within the message shape, where, such as we saw in that stack trace, it's saying that this ID field should be its own thing, but for some reason, the ID name value for the element or the field is being picked up as part of the content that should be added to the field itself, where we're only expecting an integer, not a character. So what we did in this case, and what you might need to do in your case, is reformat your sample data, in this case, the JSON data, using any number of utilities that are available on the web to clean up whatever data that you copied and pasted into the message shape. Once you do that, paste the reformatted data back into the message shape, save it, rerun the process, and you should then see the message shape and the process itself work as expected, at least as far as that message shape is concerned. That's all for now. Thank you for your time.